Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Berg winds today are pushing the temperatures up along the west coast of the country, and that's going to result in a heat wave which will last all the way through to Wednesday this week as those berg winds persist. The next cold front will be making landfall later in the week, and that will bring some rainfall, especially to the coastal areas. Quick look at the satellite imagery, and it was a cloudy start to Monday over the Lowveld as we have a couple of showers drifting in from southern Mozambique over that area, while over the eastern Highveld of the country, including over parts of Gauteng and into KwaZulu-Natal's interior, there was some dense fog early in the day, especially on Mpumalanga's Highveld. Many places reported very low visibility. For the rest of today, it will be partly cloudy over those areas as the fog has lifted. Mostly cloudy for the Lowveld, still going to see a couple of showers in the area, while it will be sunny for the central and western parts, and as mentioned, very warm weather along the west coast of the country. We're also monitoring a system that's starting to bring in some wet weather over the central parts of Namibia for later today. There is a warning over the country. That is for a high fire danger, mainly over that far western part of the Northern Cape. This is also the same area where the heat wave will be in effect for the next couple of days due to the berg winds pushing off of that coastline. Rainfall probability map shows a couple of isolated showers still moving in over the northern Lowveld, touching Limpopo's escarpment as well. That area will see a general clearance taking place as the day goes on, and there are those thunder showers that are going to be moving into Namibia late this afternoon and into this evening as well. The rest of the country will be dry. Light winds on the Highveld, including over Gauteng and the Free States. Further westwards, we will see gusty conditions for some areas in the Northern Cape. Uppington and Springbok expecting moderate northeasterly winds for the rest of today. And there we see the effects of the berg winds indicated by the deep shades of orange and red near the west coast. Vredendal 32 degrees, your high, remaining milder through the central parts. Bethlehem at 20, Johannesburg at 21 degrees, while in KwaZulu-Natal temperatures will reach the mid-20s today. A look ahead for Cape Town, and we'll see a rise in temperatures for Tuesday and Wednesday as the berg winds will also be affecting the mother city. Things start to cool down on Thursday as the cold front will be approaching, and by Friday a bit of rain, especially in the morning. It's going to be a much cooler day behind that cold front, and it will also be a chilly start to the weekend, although sunnier. Let's take a look at the rest of the country for tomorrow, and it's going to be a dry day across South Africa. A little bit of cloud cover starts to move in for the Northern Cape, and on Wednesday we're expecting a small possibility for a few thunder showers around Uppington, mainly in the evening, while very little changes over Gauteng. Johannesburg gets to a high of 21 once again.